Decaf 26 here, just appears in hobbies, and we're making a train tunnel for a train set, and there's the front of it, and we're going to put a coat of arms on it as well. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Rate and subscribe and give the thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. Put the last wall up and the other side of the tunnel on this. Okay, and we'll be putting a top on it next. We're done with the tunnel here, and it came out really well, I think. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you. Bye for now.